Hello, Dr. Dave Hindmarsh, GP Templates. I got an email today and I had to do a video on it straight away. And it was regarding AccuRx and their record view, which they're just introducing. I use AccuRx on a daily basis and it has completely revolutionised my practice. I can have making telephone consultations that bit easier itself. And then I thought, hang on a second, they've just made something excellent even better. So record view is the process where other clinicians, so outside of a general practice setting, with an access code, can get access to the spine data for patients. All it requires is that your practice to activate it, and then other clinicians can get access to the data there as well. So it's protected, and what will happen is that the clinician, wherever they are, say in A&E, will go onto the system and ask them to request the data from that patient. Whatever mobile number is recorded will then ping them a 6-digit code, and then the patient will inform the clinician of that code, and then they get access to set data from their spine. Okay, so it's a simple 3-step process that allows them to view that data. What data is allowed? They actually go into a bit more detail. If I sort of scroll down here, full details, GP name, problems list, all the up-to-date medications and everything that you could possibly need to know. I think hats off to AccuRx for this one, not only making primary care just that little bit better and that little bit easier, and just absolutely brilliant. I'm pleased as well. So my wife works in A&E, and I can see her being able to use this time and time again, and providing real value and real safety to patients. So make sure when you get that email, it doesn't go in the junk pile, and whoever's in charge of all your computer systems gets it activated. I'm Dr. Dave Hindmarsh, GP Templates. Have a great evening.